The Fichtelbergbahn is a steam locomotive train that runs 17 kilometers and the whole trip takes about 1 hour. And this one and one other one run all year round. So this is almost like a commuter train. Locomotive von
52.
52.
Ja, Karl Marx, Zwönitz.
52. 52. 1952. 18. 19. 1952. Man, technology has changed. It's pretty amazing riding on a steam locomotive. So we have just arrived at Huss outside of Oberwiesenthal, and this is an incense making factory. Very cool. They've been doing it by hand since 1960, and this has been a tradition since 1930. So we are going to make some local traditional incense. Here we go. So that was a very fun and cool thing to do here at Huss, just outside of Oberwiesenthal. And if you are looking for any traditional incense or something different to do when you're in this area of Erzgebirge, for sure come and check this place out. They've got incense for Christmas, for the spring, for the fall, and even for the summer. So very nice to see that traditional handicraft. And now it's time to explore a little bit more. I'm at the reception of the eldest spa and hotel in Oberwiesenthal. That's so cute.
A sauna for kids. They probably love that. Hot in here. Wow.
Okay, what is Oberwiesenthal to you?
For me, Oberwiesenthal is my home country. So it is the highest capital here in Germany. Pretty much good winter conditions, super nice ski slopes, a big resort, many options, great snow, and at least a nice fun park.
Shout out to Marcel here for showing me around. Thanks so much, dude.
You're welcome.
Yeah, really enjoyed that.
Me too.
And hopefully more people will come to Oberwiesenthal.
We hope so.
Yeah, it's a cool park and a good place to go skiing in Erzgebirge.
That's for sure.
Skiing in Germany, all right. So that is it for the skiing at Oberwiesenthal. Big thanks as well to Christopher at Sport Gala for hooking up the skis. We were only out for a couple of hours, but it was super fun. So thank you very much.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Until next time.
Yeah, until next time. See ya.
This evening we are in the Ore Mountain region exploring the town of Zwönitz. Zwönitz is very popular because on the 2nd of February every year they have the Lights Off Festival. Now the Lights Off Festival is the official announcement of the end of the Christmas season here in Erzgebirge or the Ore Mountains. It is very, very popular around the whole region, but this is where it all began and we're going to see that festival happen this evening. Zwönitz, Erzgebirge, Germany.
Skihangen kann ich nur empfehlen.
It is slowly getting dark here in Zwönitz and people are filling up, crowding the squares. It looks amazing with all the lights. It really feels like Christmas, to be quite honest. And apparently that's what it should feel like. So they're doing a good job. February 2nd every year in this tiny little German town in Erzgebirge, you can find a pretty amazing traditional event. So this is pretty special. We are at the top of the Rathaus here in the town of Zwönitz for the celebration and getting that bird's eye view and that perfect image of the main central square here. And all the lights are on and it looks perfect.
Das kann doch nicht sein.